What's up, guys? It's D bringing guys another video. I know it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, so I kind of got some explaining to do. As you can see behind me, I do have the car wrapped. I do still plan on doing a full wrap reveal video for you guys with some very cinematic footage. I just got to find the spot that I want to record it at. I'm currently hoping to get some filming done on that later this week. Hopefully the weather holds up because, you know, in the Carolinas the weather is up and down. It can literally be raining on one side of your house and sunny on the other. So, you know, that's the kind of things I got to deal with. But we should have some good weather for the rest of the week. The only bad thing is that it's pollen season, so I might have to get the car cleaned and then try to go straight to the spot and film as much footage for you guys at like one setting. But we'll see how that goes. The car has been holding up great since the last time I have spoken with you. The only thing I've had to change on it is an oxygen sensor. I did that before heading down to Beamer Invasion, which was amazing, by the way. So I went down to Orlando and didn't really have my voice, but I did make sure to get some footage of all the nice cars out there. There was a ton of different BMW builds. I met a lot of cool people, networked with a couple, so I do plan on having some stuff coming down the pipeline in the near future. We're going to be, you know, taking the car to the next level. Shout out to all the people I've met. I met a lot of cool people, saw a lot of cool builds, but unfortunately, I didn't have my voice. They had a pretty dope exhaust competition. I hung out a little bit with my club. We had, M-Maddox was in full force down there. We had about, I think we had about 45 cars down there with us. It was pretty dope. This is definitely an experience that I looked forward to, and I'm excited to go again next year. Next year, my car will be taken to a whole different level, and we will be on the inside. It's gonna be a beast. I have a lot of plans still left for the car. The car is far from being done. But right now I want to work towards the power-wise because I do like racing it. And by racing, I mean on the drag strip. I've taken it to the drag strip a couple times in between now and my last video I posted. The car is doing pretty well, but I know there's a lot more power left in it. And once I switch over to a custom tune, it's gonna be a rocket ship. And I am so excited for that. And of course, you guys will be brought along with me. I will be going custom 93 and running an E40 mix in my car. The car should be making some serious power. I also need to get it taken to the dyno so I can see what it's making right now. I'm gonna probably have to set that up later on this week or something. I hope you guys continue to enjoy and support my videos. I do plan on pushing out a lot more content to you guys in the near future. This springtime and summer are about to be pretty wild. I really want to go 110% on YouTube to see what I really can do with it. And of course, I'm going to be bringing you guys along on the journey. And with that being said, it has been D. And if you can, leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video.